So the urinary system consists of the kidneys, the ureters, okay, the urinary bladder, and the urethra, okay. This is a male because we have the prostate gland right here, okay. And so let's go through each structure. So this would be the renal vein, renal artery, okay. This is the descending aorta. This is the inferior vena cava. Okay. So this they just call the aorta, not descending, whatever. Okay. This here would be the adrenal gland. Okay. And again the ureters. Okay, so then here you have, again the bladder, and then the ureters, as it empties out into the bladder, you have right here the openings, which here they just, okay, we don't use that word, but these are the urethral openings. This is the internal urethral sphincter, not the urethral, the urinary opening, urethral opening, yes. So remember that these three will make up what's called the trigon, which is what number 15 is. Very good, trigon. Okay. So number 7. So the number 7 is the internal urethral orifice or sphincter. Remember, under smooth muscle. So it's a smooth muscle and it's under involuntary control. And then here is the external urethral sphincter, which is under voluntary control. And then 4 is the urethra. Okay, so let's come back here to the kidney where there's lots of stuff happening. Alright, so the renal artery we already said. Okay, so the cortex is here. Yeah, so cortex. Okay, medulla is right here. Well, it just says the lateral cut. Alright, so longitudinal cut means that it's just cut like this way. But anyway, so also make sure that if it points to the kidney, you have to identify whether it's right or left. Okay, so right, left. Alright, so here we have the renal pyramids or the medullary pyramids. Okay, the papilla is this little end right here. Okay, which enters out into the minor calyx, which is right here, which then empties out into major calyx, which then empties out to the renal pelvis. Okay? Alright. That's all. All this other stuff I don't care about. Yep, that's it.
Thank you, Professor. This is really helpful.
I have a question.